Journey begins in pomegranate groves. Red fruits destined to become deep, ruby red juice.
Mature red pomegranates hang ready. Red skin contains ruby areoles for deep red juice.
Skilled harvesters cut red pomegranates carefully. Gentle harvest protecting fruit for premium red juice.
Red pomegranates fill collection bins. Careful gathering and protecting fruit for juice extraction. Fresh red pomegranates ready for processing. Skin protects ruby red areoles for premium juice.
Workers select only premium red pomegranates. Quality sorting for superior ruby red juice.
Harvested red fruits travel to collection center. Speed maintaining freshness for ruby juice extraction. Collection center aggregates orchard harvest. Red pomegranates gathered before factory transport. Inspector verifies pomegranate maturity. Deep ruby red areoles indicate readiness for premium juice. Quality approved red pomegranates loaded for factory. Only premium fruit for ruby red juice. Red pomegranates journey to processing facility. Rapid transport preserving areoles for ruby juice extraction. Processing facility receives fresh red pomegranates. Modern plant where fruit becomes deep ruby juice. Fresh red pomegranates unloaded rapidly. Speed preserving ruby areoles for premium red juice. Red pomegranates enter climate-controlled facility. Controlled conditions for consistent ruby juice quality. Rotating brushes clean red pomegranate exteriors. Sanitation preparing fruit for juice extraction. Clean red pomegranates emerge from washing. Sanitized fruit ready for ruby juice extraction. Automated cutting opens red pomegranates. Blades exposing ruby red areoles for juice extraction. Cut pomegranates reveal ruby red areoles. Deep red seeds containing premium juice. Ruby red areoles separate from white membrane. Deep red seeds ready for juice pressing. Ruby red areoles advance to pressing equipment. Deep red seeds ready for juice extraction. Industrial press receives ruby red areoles. Mechanical extraction creating deep red juice. Pressing releases deep ruby juice. Rich red liquid flowing from compressed areoles. Fresh ruby red juice flows continuously. Deep red liquid with natural pomegranate color. Deep red juice flows to processing tanks. Ruby red liquid advancing for refinement. Filtration refines deep red juice. Ruby liquid becoming smoother texture.
Filtered juice shows smooth texture. Deep ruby red liquid with slight natural pulp.
Pasteurization ensures ruby juice safety. Heat treatment preserving quality.
Precise temperature control during pasteurization. Heat ensuring safety of ruby red juice.
Pasteurized juice maintains deep ruby color. Heat treatment complete preserving quality. Precise temperature control during pasteurization. Heat ensuring safety of ruby red juice.
Laboratory testing verifies ruby juice quality. Analysis ensuring premium product.
Color testing ensures consistent deep red. Ruby shade verified precisely. Quality approved ruby juice ready for bottles. Premium deep red liquid verified. Clean glass bottles ready for ruby juice. Clear containers displaying deep red liquid. Glass bottles positioned precisely under nozzles. Automated alignment for ruby juice filling. Deep ruby juice fills glass bottles. Rich red liquid flowing precisely into clear containers.
Multiple bottles fill with ruby juice simultaneously. High-speed operation maintaining quality. Filled bottle displays deep ruby juice. Rich red liquid visible through clear glass.
Bottles filled with ruby juice advance to capping. Deep red liquid ready for sealing.
Automated capping seals ruby juice in bottles. Hermetic closure protecting deep red liquid.
Precise torque seals ruby juice bottle. Airtight closure maintaining freshness.
Sealed bottles display ruby juice beautifully. Deep red liquid visible through clear glass.
Labels applied to bottles displaying juice. Branding on containers showing ruby liquid.
Labeled bottle displays ruby juice beautifully. Deep red liquid visible through clear glass. Date codes mark every ruby juice bottle. Traceability from production to consumer.
Inspectors verify bottled juice quality. Visual checks ensuring perfect ruby products. Inspector verifies ruby juice appearance in bottle. Deep red color confirmed through glass.
Quality approved ruby juice bottles ready. Individual packaging complete for cases. Shipping cases prepared for ruby juice bottles. Secondary packaging protecting glass.
Bottles showing ruby juice loaded carefully. Deep red liquid visible in arranged bottles.
Filled case shows ruby juice bottles inside. Deep red liquid visible through clear glass. Case sealed protecting ruby juice bottles. Secure closure for shipping.
Labels identify ruby juice contents. Distribution information applied.
Pallets prepared for ruby juice cases. Foundation for bulk packaging.
Robotic stacking creates stable loads. Ruby juice cases arranged precisely.
Layer building creates stable pallet. Ruby juice cases stacked optimally.
Interlocking pattern creates stability. Ruby juice case load optimized. Completed pallet reaches shipping height. Ruby juice cases perfectly stacked. Wrapper secures ruby juice pallet. Film protection beginning.
Clear film anchors to pallet base. Ruby juice partially visible through wrap.
Spiral wrapping unifies ruby juice load. Transparent security.
Labeled pallet identifies ruby juice contents. Ready for storage.
Forklift transports ruby juice pallet. Movement to warehouse.
Smooth lift raises ruby juice pallet. Professional handling protecting glass.
Internal logistics moving ruby juice to warehouse. Systematic transport.
Climate-controlled warehouse protects ruby juice. Professional storage facility.
Temperature monitoring maintains storage conditions. Ruby juice quality protected.
Digital systems track ruby juice's inventory. Real-time management.
System directs ruby juice pallet to location. Organized navigation. Ruby juice pallet positioned systematically. Strategic warehouse storage. Ruby juice protected in climate storage. Inventory secured until distribution. Organized warehouse stores ruby juice inventory. Multiple pallets secured. First in, first out ensures ruby juice freshness. Systematic rotation. Order fulfillment begins. Ruby juice selected for customers. Documentation accompanies ruby juice shipments. Information enabling logistics. Ruby juice pallet staged for distribution. Shipping preparation complete.
Final inspection before Ruby Juice departure. Quality protecting brand.
Inspector confirms Ruby Juice quality visible. Deep red color verified through glass.
Security monitors Ruby Juice inventory. Electronic protection continuous.
Environmental logs document Ruby Juice storage. Quality compliance recorded.
Climate control operates continuously. Ruby Juice protected day and night. From red pomegranates to deep Ruby Juice. Complete transformation journey. Complete documentation from orchard to bottle. Ruby Juice quality tracked. Premium Ruby Juice in clear glass bottle. Deep red color showcased beautifully. Complete journey from grove to bottle. Ruby Juice production excellence.
Warehouse at capacity with Ruby Juice. Efficient storage, maximizing space.
Premium labeling showcases Ruby Juice quality. Brand presentation excellence. Quality metrics confirm Ruby Juice excellence. Standards exceeded consistently. Array of Ruby Juice bottles showcasing quality. Deep red color consistent throughout.
Ruby Juice pours, showing rich color. Deep red liquid, demonstrating quality.
Consumer-ready presentation showcases Ruby Juice. Deep red color attracting through clear glass.
Complete facility transforms pomegranates to Ruby Juice. Integrated production excellence.
Quality seal certifies Ruby Juice premium status. Excellence officially marked. Sustainable practices in Ruby Juice production. Environmental responsibility maintained.
Team excellence creates premium Ruby Juice. Pride in quality production.
Innovation advances Ruby Juice quality. Technology improving excellence. Heritage methods honor pomegranate tradition. Legacy in Ruby Juice production. Future vision advancing Ruby Juice excellence. Growth maintaining quality.
Awards recognize Ruby Juice quality. Excellence officially acknowledged.
Certifications confirm Ruby Juice standards. Compliance officially documented.
Complete operation from orchard to customer. Ruby Juice journey successful. Perfect Ruby Juice in premium bottle. Deep red color showing quality excellence.
Journey complete from red pomegranates to premium Ruby Juice. Manufacturing excellence achieved. Production complete from pomegranate orchard to bottled Ruby Juice. Deep red premium juice ready for customers.